Okay, I promised you guys I'd burp again. Here it is. God! I still not pretty good. Excuse me? I tell you, the burps that come out of me, it's freaky. I sound like a boy on that one. Why is it the guys can always burp the... Well, I'm usually most popular with burping. I mean, they just belch them out, don't you guys? Can I join your posse? Because, I mean, like, I'm perfect to be in your club. Because I'm like, you hear the burps I've been belching out? I bet I could fit with you guys. I could join a group of boys and... Because I burp, I can fit in probably. In fact, in school, I bet that's where I'd be. Hanging out with all the guys. Because I burp and, like, hate tight jeans and makeup and... Yeah. I'd probably fit better with the boys. Pardon law. Except, one big fact, I'm a girl, so I wouldn't fit in totally. Who knows? Wait. Oh god, that was a good one. Oh god. Wait. Pardon. Pardon me. Holy crap. They just belt out. Oh. I'm seriously getting bad. One question to all the dudes out there. Why do you like burping so much? Is it entertaining, or is it makes you feel more appreciated, or what? Why do you guys like burp so much? Especially when they're from girls. And especially when they're big and gross, like mine. Yes, I admit they're gross. Like that one was. A couple more, and then I think I'm gonna eat it. Because, seriously, they're gonna kill me. I can't believe my parents allowed me to burp so much. I mean, just go around burp. I mean, yes, I cover my mouth mostly when I'm around that maze. And, I usually act like Lily, but I burp a lot. I think it's because I got it from my dad. That was a good one. Okay, I'm going to go now. Leave as many comments as you like. I love comments. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. I'll probably be back with a burping video, like, maybe a couple days or something. A friend is coming over in a couple days, so yay! Tomorrow. Staying for a couple days. So, yeah. Probably have her on the show, if she feels like it. I don't know if she's camera shy or not. Probably not. Bye. Wait, one more. Excuse me. Bye.